Good morning, everyone. Do you know what percentage of the Indian population suffers from financial illiteracy? It is almost 73%, whereas the global average is 53. So, this 73% suffers a lot. They are involved in debt, unemployment, and lot of stress. To overcome this, I have a solution. These 73% comes to my product Chanakya. Chanakya is an AI financial advisor. We provide unique solutions to our users like summarized government schemes. We give summarized documents on long government schemes like Startup India, PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, etc. We also show short videos for students. We give short videos for students for the also the people who can learn visually. We also have self assessment for our users. Users can assess their knowledge on the previous content. We also have self assessment for our students to assess their knowledge on financial literacy. And mainly our main product, Chanakya, the AI financial advisor. Our users can chat with him like how to start a small business. He will think, analyze, and based on the past searches, he will give answers. If required, he'll also show you a video. You can also ask him manually, or else you can also chat with him. The user can type a value, rate of interest, and time period, and then calculate. We also have financial calculators like this. Then it gives answer for the following template. And wait, we have a lot of market opportunity with over 1 billion just in India. And remember that this is a global product. We have to ensure everyone so that everyone has financial knowledge and better quality of life. And my product aligns with 3 SDG goals: no poverty, good health and well being, and decent work and economic growth. Will you subscribe to our product?